Do you know, Jack? Then you'd know that we give you a 15-year, 150,000-mile warranty just for doing business with us. Let me tell you more about it. Now, we offer our 15150 warranty on every new and most pre-owned vehicles. The reason we say most pre-owned vehicles is we do exclude vehicles that are over 100,000 miles and older than 10 years. Our 15150 warranty mirrors the manufacturer's powertrain warranty. The parts that are covered are the same parts that are covered under the manufacturer's warranty. Well, if you bought a new Chevrolet, that warranty is for 5 years or 60,000 miles. We would bring that coverage out to 15 years or 150,000 miles. If you bought a pre-owned Toyota, for example, we would mirror Toyota's manufacturer's coverage, but for 15 years and 150,000 miles from now. A lot of people ask me if this warranty is transferable. It is not. This warranty is meant for you, our customer, to keep your car for 15 years or 150,000 miles. We'll cover it. If you sell your car, the warranty does not go to the next owner. What do you need to do in order to keep your warranty? There's no extra maintenance that needs to be done. All you need to do is just your manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule that's right in your owner's manual. People ask if they have to do all of their maintenance here. We would love to earn your business here at Jack Chevrolet with our world-class technicians. However, you don't have to have your maintenance done here. If you do it here, we'll keep everything on record for you. If you do it outside of this dealership, just make sure you keep your records of where you do it. Any ASC certified repair facility will do.